Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily solve quadratic equations using the Casio fx-991 ES Plus scientific calculator. So having known that, let's get the Casio calculator and go into the details of this video. So guys, this is Casio fx-991 ES Plus scientific calculator. As you can see, we have two questions here to practice with. Alright, so we're going to solve the two of them together here. So let's begin with the question 1. We have solve 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so a quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of x, or the highest exponent, is 2. As you can see here, the highest exponent or power of x here is 2, which is 3x squared. Okay, this 3x squared here is the leading term in this quadratic expression. So to solve this question with this calculator, the first thing you have to do is to, as I always recommend, clear the calculator. Very important. So to clear, you simply press shift button 9, follow the instruction, you press 3, press equal to, press equal to again. So the calculator is now clear, it's now in default mode. So having done this, you go to mode button here. Alright, we want to solve equation, which is option 5. Then when you get here, you see various options. Now option 3 stands for quadratic equation. As you can see, the highest power here in this option 3 is 2. So we press 3, option 3, which stands for quadratic equation, option 3. So when you get here, you see this displaying for you. Now in quadratic equation, we usually label the terms with a, b and c. Okay, so for the a term, you are going to get the coefficient of that term. For the b term, you are going to get the coefficient of that term, and for the c term, which is usually a constant, you impute the constant there. Okay, so for the a term, which is 3x squared, the coefficient of 3x squared is basically 3. Coefficient is a number behind a variable or an unknown. So 3 is the value behind this variable or unknown x squared in this equation. So our coefficient of 3x squared will be 3. Press 3, press equal to. Then coefficient of 7x, which is our b, will be 7. Alright, then our constant here is negative 6 or minus 6. Alright, a constant in math is simply a number without a visible variable or unknown attached to it. Alright, so press equal to. Now let's press equal to again to get our values. We are going to have two values of x, x1 and x2. Okay, so as you can see, our x1 is 2 over 3 and our s2 is negative 3. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys. Very simple. Okay, so let's go over to question 2 and solve it, and after it we'll call it a class. So let's remove this. Okay, let's just press AC button to remove the values we have imputed already, to make everything to look empty. Alright, so the boxes are now appearing empty. So question 2 says solve 2x squared minus 9x equals 5. If you notice carefully here, you will see where I wrote note 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equals 0. Alright, so when you have this kind of problem, firstly, you know that quadratic equation is usually equal to 0. Alright, or quadratic equation usually equals 0. Alright, so what you do basically here is that this one, we have 2x squared minus 9x equals 5. You create this 5 to the left side of the equation. When you do it, what you have now, the right side will be 0. So that's why I have note 2x squared. By the time you create 5 to the left side, you now have 0 at the right side of the equation. Basically, that's what you have to do. Okay, since we have the 5, when it is at the right side of the equation to be positive, when it crosses over it to be negative, when it crosses over to the left side to now be positive. At the beginning it was negative, okay, but here is positive. Since it's positive, as it is crossing over, it will change towards negative. So guys, take note of sign convention, very important guys in maths. So far now, having known this, we are going to solve this quadratic equation 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equals 0 on this calculator. And to do this guy, very simple. Our a is 2x squared, our b is minus 9x, and our c, which is our constant, is negative 5. Okay, so the coefficient of 2s squared, which is our a, is 2. Alright, so our a is what, 2, which is the coefficient of 2s squared, first equal to. Our b will be coefficient to minus 9x, which is what, minus 9. Alright, not 9, is minus 9. Guys, take note of sign convention or the signs there. Okay, very important. Okay, so the constant there is for negative 5, not 5, negative 5. Alright, very important guys. So having done this, let's press equal to. Now I begin to get our values. Okay, so our x1 is 5 and our x2 is minus 1 over 2. Okay, of which in quadratic equation we usually make use of the positive values. Alright, but it used to come with 2 values, but we basically used to take the positive ones. Alright, so guys, this is basically you can solve problems involving quadratic equation with the Casio FS and our ES Plus scientific calculator. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. If you are new to the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my subsequent video. Don't forget to reset your calculator once you are done. Alright, so all you have to do is to press shift button 9, follow the instruction, press 3, press equal and press equal again. So it's clear. Thanks for watching.